What if I told you that right now, somewhere in Lagos, a regular person just like you made over 500,000 naira last week from their phone just partnering with a digital marketing brand? And no, this isn't about crypto, forex, or those random WhatsApp schemes. In fact, in the past year alone, this brand has paid over 1 billion naira to everyday Nigerians and Africans. You see all those big boys and girls you see on social media online, I can guarantee you that it is this brand that is sponsoring their lifestyle. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can also partner with this brand and start getting paid every week. And that's not even all. At the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a secret strategy that you can use to make your first 1 million naira in 60 days partnering with this brand. What's up, guys? If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and bell icon because today we're about to change lives. So let's get started. What exactly is this brand and how do they work? Now let me introduce you to something that has been quietly changing lives across Africa. A platform that's already helped over 60,000 people to start earning in dollars. And the crazy part is that most people don't even know about it yet. Well, some of you may have heard about this brand before. Maybe you have even seen some of our members' testimonials on social media. Testimonials of people making 1 million naira, 2 million, or even 3 million in just 1 week. Or maybe it's the testimonials of people winning free cars on all expense paid trips to travel to different countries such as Egypt, Mauritius, and Qatar. Maybe you have seen any of these testimonials and you've been thinking, what exactly is this brand and how do I get started? Well, this video is your answer to that. This brand is called Promptearn and it is a digital affiliate marketing platform. Think of Promptearn as your gateway to earning dollars on your phone. And no, I am not exaggerating. Remember the strategy I mentioned earlier, the one that made someone 1 million naira in 60 days? Well, stay tuned because that's what's coming up. But before talking about that, let's talk about how you can get started on Promptearn. First things first, yes, there is a small annual fee. It's 5,000 naira or $10 for a whole year. Now, before you think, another payment thing, let me be real with you. That's about 13 naira per day or less than 1 cent. But what if I told you that some of our members make that back on their first day on Promptearn? Once you register on Promptearn, you will get a confirmation email that contains your login details. Then you go to promptearn.com and log in using your login details in your email. Once you log in, you will get access to your Promptearn account dashboard. Let me show you around your new money-making headquarters. This is what your dashboard will look like. Today's sales is the sales you made for that day. Today's affiliate earnings are the total amount you earned in that day. Overall affiliate earnings are addressing your total earnings since you joined Promptearn. Available affiliate earnings are all the money you can withdraw. Withdrawals are only available on Saturdays on Promptearn, so you can only place a withdrawal on Saturday. Total withdrawals show you all the money that you have withdrawn from your Promptearn dashboard. Now let's move on to the marketplace. The best part, you're not starting from zero. Everything you need is right here. Most of the products on Promptearn already come with promotional materials you can use to promote your products so that you are not starting from scratch. You already have materials you can use to promote the product and start making money. Also, make sure you visit the product pages to understand the products very well. Always do your research before picking a product. Once you have your product affiliate link, you can start promoting. But don't forget, at the end of this video, I will be sharing a tip you can use to make your first 1 million naira in 60 days. But let's quickly run through the rest of the Promptearn interface. My leads is all about the number of people who clicked your link and tried to buy but didn't. Check transaction is where you can check the status of a sale you made. The workshop is where you can get access to Promptearn's workshop training. The affiliate leaderboard is where you see a list of top affiliates on Promptearn for the month. Promptearn challenge is where the top 10 affiliates with the highest number of overall sales from an ongoing challenge. The achievement certificate just shows the milestone amounts you have achieved on Promptearn. I believe the rest of them are self-explanatory and you can go through them and drop a comment here if there's a place you do not understand. Now we're getting to the part you have been waiting for, the strategy that has helped countless people make their first million. But before I share this golden nugget, take a minute to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so. It takes less than a minute to do that. So here it is, the moment you have all been waiting for. So you have registered on Promptearn, you have gone through the Promptearn account, and you have picked a product. So how exactly can you start making money with your account? The easiest way to make money as a new Promptearn affiliate is to model what's already working. What you want to do is go to the affiliate leaderboard on Promptearn and take note of the top 5 affiliates that are making the most sales for the month. Take notes of their names and spend a minimum of 2 hours researching each affiliate. What you're trying to do is learn the strategy that they are using to make the most sales. Look out for their funnels, their positioning, marketing strategy, and so on, and study them very well. Then when you have an understanding of what a working strategy is, you can find a way to model it and apply that same strategy in your own affiliate business. Now you're not starting from scratch, you are leveraging a working strategy. Then make sure you keep tweaking your strategy based on the feedback you are getting till your funnel starts printing you money. Look, I've just handed you the exact blueprint that's already working for thousands of affiliates. The only question is, what are you going to do with it? If this video helped you, smash the like button and share it with someone who really needs to see this.